Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Joanie and this is Simple Living Mama Home. This is where I do all of my reviews for home products, home organization products, and we are also going to be having lots of good homemaking videos for you as well. So in today's video, I want to do a review of my favorite planner for homemakers. This is the 2025 Homemakers Friend Daily Planner. This is available right now if you're interested. I'm going to flip the camera around and give you guys a look inside of this planner. I have been using this planner for years. I will just start off by saying what I love about it is its size, because it fits in my purse perfectly and it has everything inside that I need to plan all of my homemaking life. So I'm going to flip the camera around and we're going to take a look inside this planner. Okay, so this is the cover of the 2025 Homemakers Friend Daily Planner. It has a scripture right on the front. And then inside we have the introduction page. This daily planner belongs to and important phone numbers. And then we have some yearly calendars here. And then we have some more introductory notes from the author. These are coupons that you can give to loved ones. And then here we get into our yearly calendar. Each of the sections begins with a goals page. So here we have pretty divider page and then the yearly goals for you to plan out. We have the mini calendars, dates to remember, more mini calendars and dates to remember. Here are some pages that you are free to do whatever you want with. And there are several of those in the yearly section. So here is the monthly calendar section. This is something that I use quite regularly. Every single month I fill in my monthly calendar. Here we have the monthly goals page. And then this is what a month spread looks like. It has over here your top 3 goals and then your notes. I use this to put in all of our appointments, our extracurricular activities, and anything that we've got going on for the month. So that way I can just look at it very quickly at a glance. I also use highlighters to color code what the different activities are, whether they're appointments, kids' extracurricular activities, vacations, things like that. So this goes through all 12 months. Here at the back, we just have some goals sheets, so you can plan some goals for each month of the year. Okay. And then she even has like a little section that talks about monthly relationship goals, if that's something you would like to work on, and then a spot for you to jot down some notes. This is the weekly calendar section. Like all of the different sections, it begins with weekly goals, and then we get into the weekly spread. So each week looks just like this. It starts up here with task list. So if you have specific tasks that need to get done that week, not necessarily on a specific day, you can write those down up here. And then she has some scripture here for some encouragement. Here's a little calendar that shows you what week this is supposed to represent. And then we have the daily sections. So you can write down, things that need to get done during that day, as well as there's a little spot here for you to plan your menu for that day. And I love this. I love the simplicity of it. I love how it just helps me to brain dump all of my tasks, because yes, I do use my phone a lot to keep track of different things, you know, appointments and notes and things like that. But I love actually writing the stuff down. I feel like when I write it down, I'm more likely to remember it. If it's just sitting in my phone, there's a pretty good chance I'm going to forget about it. So transferring information that I have on my phone to my planner is very, very helpful for me. So at the back of that, we have another notes page, and then this is the task list section. And she does explain in the beginning in her note how to use these different sections if you need some ideas. I typically like to write down work stuff here. So if I have different ideas that I'm working on for work, I will jot those down here. I mean, you can do, the possibilities are really endless. You can do whatever you'd like here. You could write down, you know, gifts you'd like to get for somebody, things like that. And then we have the projects and events section. And I like to use this to plan different birthday parties, house projects, like if I'm going to redecorate a certain room or something like that. Also like holidays and stuff. So it's just a neat little place to keep track of all of your projects and events. Then we have a notes section here in the back. Here is the information section. It's pretty blank, so you can do whatever you want with it if you want to put down important phone numbers here or whatever. You have the freedom to do that. The notes section again. And then one of my favorite features of this planner is the shopping list. You can make shopping lists for groceries, for parties, for different events or projects that you're doing. And these are perforated so you can tear them out and take them with you. So there's lots and lots of different shopping lists here. And then let's see. All right. Clothing sizes. So if you're like me and you have a lot of different kids, you can write down what their clothing size or their shoe size is right now. I know that I tend to forget, especially my kids' shoe sizes. They change so frequently. So there's a place for you to keep track of that. Here's a place for you to keep track of gift ideas for different people in your life. Here's a master shopping list. This is something that I talk a lot about on my blog. As a homemaker, I like to keep certain things on hand and in stock in our home, and this is a great place for you to write those down so you don't forget the things that you like to keep on hand. Then we just have some checklists, and it does include some ledger pages if that's a feature you would like to use. And then finally, one of the things that I love about this planner is it comes with a cute little magnetic bookmark. This one this year says abundance, and then there are, you know, some little pocket pages back here. So if you have receipts or anything special that you get throughout the year that will just slide right in here and you want to keep, there's a place for you to put those as well. So this is the 2025 Homemaker's Friend Daily Planner. If you're interested in purchasing this planner, I will have the link down in the description box below. I hope that you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.